Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with an Amazon sponsored video. Amazon store Get Made reached out to me and sent me their 12-inch Jamaican bounce crochet hair. Came in a bundle like this. It's 12 inches long. This is in a color B. They do have other colors. I will list the direct links below if you want to check it out. But this is 1B. They said 4 packs will cover the whole head. Natural and soft texture. It's light and ready to wear. Okay. Looks like this. It comes on a rounder. Very, very springy and bouncy. You can open these up too if you want them to be full. I will leave direct links below if you're interested in checking this hair out. Very, very beautiful, easy to maintain. You can just, what I'll do is I'll just wear my satin bonnet at night and keep it up. As per the website, it's stating that it's easy to install, save time, very light, comfortable to, it's lightweight and comfortable to wear, soft and bouncy natural curl. Like, because I can open these up. Either I can leave them coiled like this or I can open it up to make the hairstyle fuller. The picture that I'm going to leave on the screen, you'll see that that was my inspiration. That was actually one of the pictures featured on this direct link. So when I come back, you will see if my hair installer was able to make it work, and we'll be back.
And voila. Now I did go to the braid shop to get the crochet hair installed. Unfortunately, they weren't able to style my hair, so I had to, they literally just put the hair in. So I came home and I began to separate the hair. Easy to separate. The more you separate, the bigger it gets. I think it looks beautiful and natural. The more you separate the actual spool, the curl of the hair. I then began to cut it to shape my face. The picture that I showed was an inspiration, but I do like it a little bit longer. So I did appreciate that. Direct links for this hair will be listed below. I've been wearing this hair to close to a week now, and I can say it's super easy maintenance, and the older it gets, the better it looks. Super pretty, very, very bouncy, easy to maintain, and I love it. So be sure to check out the description box, and I'll catch you in my next video.
As always, thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to rate, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my TikTok and also my Poshmark. Direct links will be listed below in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.